we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this brand of vodka. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced names of spirits from around the world as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. This is now made and owned by a British company called Diageo. But yes, it was started in Moscow, Russia. So how do you go about pronouncing it? Well, there are different ways of saying it. For reference, in Russian, this is said as Smirnoff, Smirnoff. In British English, this is normally pronounced as Smirnoff, Smirnoff Vodka. In American English, however, it is usually said as Smirnoff, Smirnoff, Smirnoff in American English versus Smirnoff in British English, all of which comes from Russian Smirnoff. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of delicious spirits and liquors whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.